Turning a favorite dessert into a cocktail fitting for our first anniversary was a little tricky, but the Boston Creme Pie was worth it. My name is Riley, and welcome to Alchemix, where Carl and I teach you how to create craft cocktails and improve your home bartending skills. This is more than just another dessert cocktail. It has a special place in our hearts. As Carl and I were planning our wedding last year, we decided to do everything differently. I threw Carl a surprise birthday party, invited our friends, and then we surprised them by getting married. I decided to make a Boston Creme Pie for our wedding cake, because it's his favorite. He loves the combination of custard, vanilla sponge cake, and chocolate ganache. Yesterday marked our first anniversary of being married, so Carl thought there was nothing more fitting than turning our wedding cake into an anniversary cocktail. We were both pretty excited about the idea. Then Carl realized it might be a little harder than he thought. He looked up a few recipes which didn't meet his expectations. So I started writing this, and he decided to break down the cake into its 3 components and make the drink from scratch. For the chocolate ganache, Carl made a homemade chocolate syrup. The recipe for the silky topping can be found in the video description. The hardest part for Carl, and the most entertaining for me, was figuring out the sponge cake and custard adaptation. Carl does not like cake vodka, so using it was out of the question. Since both components share a lot of the same ingredients, Carl chose to combine the two for the drink base. He used a whole egg, hoping that it would give the cocktail the yellow cake color. It did, and he was thrilled. He added Licor 43 to help create the cake texture and add dimension to the cocktail's flavor before moving on to the custard. It's hard to incorporate custard into a cocktail, but vanilla and creaminess were the goals, so Carl used vanilla vodka and heavy cream. I think that this Boston Creme Pie cocktail is the perfect cocktail to celebrate our first year. Thanks for being a part of our celebration and for watching our recipe for the Boston Creme Pie. We would really appreciate a like and a subscribe to Alchemix, and come back every Tuesday for a new video. You can find more about each recipe on our website, alchemix.bar. The world is your martini glass. Shake things up.